Hey guys, welcome back. I'm super excited about today's video because we are decorating for Christmas. Almost everything in my home is from the dollar store, and I can't wait to share with you how to make your home look gorgeous for the holidays in no time without spending very much money at all. My go-to Christmas decor is always holiday garland. I love it for my fireplace, and I always buy the dollar store garland. I know it looks jacked up, but it's crazy cheap, and you can add dollar store picks, of course lights, and lots of dollar store ornaments to make it look really high-end. It's fast, it looks fabulous, and it's on a really small budget. I love using dollar store garland all throughout my home. On the fireplace, I have it on the buffet here in the dining room. There's some behind the couch. You can have it in the banister, on your window frames. It's endless amounts of places that you can put this beautiful holiday garland. Usually I go all out on the table, you guys know, with like a tablescape and like place settings, but it's a pain in the butt. Every time we want to eat, we take everything off. I want simple this year. One centerpiece, it's easy to move out of the way. Everything about my decor was simplified this year. I spent only a couple of hours when I usually spend an entire day. I spent an hour Saturday and an hour on Sunday, and it was lovely. Sometimes less really is more. One of my all-time favorite DIY projects is the tiered tray that I did, the farmhouse tiered tray and the jug, but I can use it again and make it Christmassy. That sounds better than holiday-y by adding some berries and some Christmas ornaments. Look around your home at vases or other things you already have and think, how can I make that look a little bit more like Christmas? I had these dollar store lanterns outside on my patio. I brought them in, I popped on some Dollar Tree little baby wreaths on top, and voila, it's Christmas decor. We have a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. It's very sparse, it's seen better days, but it was cheap, and you can definitely make a tree look more high-end and fuller by adding ribbon, so much ribbon, and lots of dollar store picks. It fills in the tree, it gives it a lot of like texture. Can a tree have texture? I'm gonna pretend I know what I'm talking about, but I stick them all in and it looks super fabulous. The kids helped me decorate our tree. I love, love, love the way this looks, and every single thing on it is from the dollar store. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're getting into the Christmas spirit. Give your home a little love this holiday season, especially with some little DIY projects. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I'm doing a quick weight loss surgery update for you. It's not been awesome, I cannot lie. At first I was like, I feel amazing and everything's fantastic. Now reality has set in and it sucks donkey balls because I feel pretty crappy when I eat anything that's not paste. And I guess that's normal. They say just eat paste. I'm 4 weeks out. They're like, just eat the paste. But I was like, I can have a pork chop. I died, okay? It wasn't even a pork chop. You guys, it was like this piece of a pork chop cut really, really small, and I had the worst agony. I thought I was having a heart attack. There was vomiting. It wasn't pretty, and it's just been a challenge. I'm not hungry, which is awesome, but I miss food, and I have not lost any weight. Okay, since the first week. So for the past 3 weeks, I have weighed exactly the same thing. My girls are smaller, which is the only thing on my body I did not want to get smaller. Everything else is the same. And so I'm feeling bummed. I mean, I literally jacked up my insides and had this major surgery so that I could, let's be honest, lose weight, and I'm not. And so it's frustrating, but I also feel like it's a little bit of karma because sometimes I look for the shortcuts in life, you know? I'm simplifying my life, and I am. I'm trying to, but this is not a shortcut. This is not, it's good. I'm gonna have to exercise and crap, and dang it! I'm not happy about it. So anyways, I'm giving you an update. Right now it isn't all sunshine and roses, and maybe tomorrow it will be better. But right now I'm in the trenches, I'm in the thick of it, and I really want to be honest with you guys. So I'm giving you an update, and I'll see you guys next time.
Okay.
Nowhere.
I'm a filmer. Izzy's a YouTuber.
I'm a YouTuber, guys. Today we're watching my really interesting video of me putting up an ornament. Woo! Ready? Hey guys, it's me!
He's videoing the ceiling.